Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chanel. So today we're going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. As you can see, my eyebrows is very woofy. I want to be showing you how to turn your eyebrows from this to what you're going to see at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is set your brows. So we're going to be setting our brows with the Laura Mercier the deep translucent setting powder and a puffy powder puff. And I got this from Shein for like $2, you guys, just to set that all in. So we're gonna set them to make sure they last all day, and yeah, basically they last all day and we can get a clear draw on the brows. So after we do that, we're gonna go in with this Juvia's Place Brow Gel, and we're just gonna brush our brows in place. You could just basically push them up like this, and that just eliminates them and make them like stand up and give that snatch effects, you guys. Like, we need the snatch brow, okay? We want the spiky brow all 2023, okay? Period. So we're just gonna brush those brows up and get them ready to be snatched, okay? So after we finish sculpting our brows upwards, we're just gonna let them dry for a second before we start drawing them in. So now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and this is in the shade dark brown, and we're just gonna start filling our brows in. And the way that I like to do it now, since I think this is gonna be an updated routine, girl, let me show y'all how I do it now. So what I do is I draw a line on the bottom first. So we just draw a little line on the bottom like that, and I work my way up. Then I try to draw a line on the top of the brow. And it's okay to have, you know, it not to be perfect, because we're gonna clean it up with concealer, so don't worry about that. Just fill it in. This. Fill it in, and then what I like to do is take my other brow pencil in the shade, the same one in medium brown, and I'm just gonna draw the front of the brow now. So it could be like an ombre effect. And I got this from Brianna Marie. You know I love watching her, and I saw her do this. I was like, I have to try it, and we're here, you guys. So then after, I try to flicker my brows like upwards to get those hairs in the front. And it doesn't matter if you have like no brows or brows like me, you can still achieve this look. That's really it. I feel like I don't have to do the top and I don't have to do the top too much, because we're just gonna line that up with concealer anyway. But this is the brow, how it's looking compared to this. And you can see like a big difference. Now all I want to do is just kind of brush them out so it won't be so harsh. And there you have it, you guys, a perfect brow. No matter if your brows are thin or if they're thick like mine's, it's gonna be the perfect brow every time if you use this method. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then I'm taking a Anastasia Beverly Hills flat brush, and I know it's dirty, you guys, but I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut, and we're gonna go clean up under our brows with these. Sometimes if I don't want makeup on my hand, I just go under it real carefully. That's like the easiest way to do it. And anything else you just clean up later on. But if you don't like to do it this way, I just go under it with the brush. Like so. And you want to be careful. You're gonna inch up, inch up, inch up slowly. Some people don't like to put concealer on the top, but I do. Like, cause when I don't, it don't look right to me. I don't know why, but I really like that halo look. But I put foundation on mine, so it don't really look too bad. And if you go to my tutorials, you will see like everything still blends in. And this concealer, a lot of people say it's thing, but the hydrating one is fine. I really like the hydrating one. I think it's like the Born This Way. It reminds me of the same formula. And right there. the brows is done. 1, 2, 3. And after that, I go in with a Real Techniques concealer brush, or what is it called? Like, wait. It's a deluxe crease brush. And I just tap that out. Set it with some powder. And that's it, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, because if you watch this tutorial, I know you're gonna watch all my other tutorials, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna come back with the finishing look to show you guys how did the whole look come out, you know, because once the brows are done, like how they are done, the look have to be looking, you know, and that's just on period. Okay, you just want to blend everything together seamlessly for a good blend. Okay, period.